Now next we are going to talk about oceans. We all know the vast area of water surrounding the land masses on the earth are called oceans. The four major oceans are Pacific Ocean, you can see this is Pacific Ocean east and the western side, okay? Pacific Oceans, then you can see Atlantic Ocean in between the continent, Atlantic Ocean north and south, Pacific Ocean western side north and south, eastern side north and south, okay? Atlantic Ocean at the center in between the continents north and south. Third is Indian Ocean, you can see southern part, okay? Indian subcontinent southern part, Indian Ocean is there, okay? Now you can see fourth ocean, Arctic Ocean, okay? This is this extreme northern part, you can see Arctic Ocean, this ocean, this blue color part in the extreme northern side, this comes in Arctic Ocean. So these are the major four oceans we have: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and these four oceans cover the 90% of the total area underwater. Now let's talk about the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, you can see this is Pacific Ocean, here this is Pacific Ocean, okay? So this is the largest ocean of the world. It spreads over almost 1/3 of the globe. The greatest depth of the earth's surface, which is in the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is a point which is the deepest point on the earth, okay, in the water body, lies under this ocean. The shape of the Pacific Ocean is nearly circular, okay, nearly circular, as you can see, half portion this side, half portion this side. So when you combine its shape is nearly circular. On one side lies the Americas, and on the other side Asia and Australia. You can see on one side, western side, lies America, North America, South America, this half circle, and on the other side lies the continent Asia and Australia. So half side this side, half portion this side, so when you combine it is nearly circular in shape, okay? Asia and Australia in the north, Asia and Australia in the north, it is linked to the Arctic Ocean in north. This Pacific Ocean in the north, it is linked with the Arctic Ocean. In the south, this Pacific Ocean merges into the Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. This Pacific Ocean in the south, it merges with the Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Finally here, okay, from both sides it merges with the Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. In north it merges with the Arctic Ocean, it is linked to the Arctic Ocean, okay? So this is all about Pacific Ocean. Now Atlantic Ocean, this is the second largest ocean of the world. We all know Pacific is the largest ocean in the world in terms of area and size. Atlantic Ocean stands in second largest ocean of the world, but its area is half of the Pacific Ocean. This is half of the Pacific Ocean, but the shape of this ocean resembles a letter S. As you can see at the center, this is Atlantic Ocean, and it is somewhere shape is coming like this. Yes or no? In between the continent and in the northern and southern, and when you will see, roughly it resembles like the S shape, okay? So it resembles the letter S to the north. To letter S to the north, it merges into the Arctic Ocean. So northern part of the Atlantic Ocean merges with the Arctic Ocean, okay, and the southern part of the Atlantic Ocean, it extends up to Antarctica. So Atlantic Ocean in the northern part, it merges with the Arctic Ocean, and in southern part it extends till Antarctica. It is bounded on the western side, this side. So this Arctic Ocean, from the west side, it is bounded by the North America and South America, while on the eastern side, means this side, it is bounded by Europe. This side Europe, you can see this is Europe and Africa, Okay, so this is the location. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is quite irregular, hence very long. The regular coastline has provided ideal condition for ports and harbors. Thus, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean from the point of view of trade. So, Atlantic Ocean, as you can see, because of its location, it lies at the center of all the continents. So easy to connect all the places. That is why this Atlantic Ocean is very important. It is very important ocean from the point of view of trade. Okay, because it is at the center, so easy to reachable, in touch with all the continents, so easy to reach. Okay, because of its location at the center, so it is very important in terms of trade. Now third ocean which we have, Indian Ocean. As you can see, this is Asia, southern part of Asia, Indian subcontinent, southern part, there is a Indian Ocean. So the ocean covered about one fourth of the total area. Okay, largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is half of the Pacific Ocean, and now Indian Ocean, which is third ocean. This is the total area is about 1/5 of the total area under oceans and seas. The shape of this ocean is almost triangular. Okay, as you can see, its extent is like this. Its extent is roughly like this. Okay, because here we have Arabian Sea, you can see Bay of Bengal. It started from here and roughly like this. So its shape is roughly triangular. In the north, it is bounded by the continent of Asia. As you can see, this is Asia. So this Indian Ocean in the north, bounded by Asia, covered by Asia. India is located at the head of this ocean. India is located at the head of this ocean, means this is Indian Ocean, so India is located at the head, means northern part, so head of this ocean. In south, the Indian Ocean is wide open. As you can see, in south there is a wide open area. Okay, northern part surrounded by land masses. Okay, but in from southern it is wide open. Africa and Australia are to the west. You can see Australia. You can see Africa. This is Africa, and Australia are to the west and east of the ocean, of this ocean, means this ocean is here. So Africa is on the west and Australia is on the east. Okay, so from north it is surrounded by Asian subcontinent. From west it is surrounded by Africa. From east it is surrounded by Asian islands and Australia, and south it is wide open. So this is the location of Indian Ocean. Now we'll talk about the fourth ocean, which is the Arctic Ocean. Okay, fourth ocean, Arctic Ocean. You can see this Arctic Ocean, northern part. So this is the ocean. We have seen that Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, they were in northern hemisphere as well as in the southern hemisphere. But Arctic Ocean, which is the fourth ocean, is the ocean which lies only in the northern hemisphere. So this is different. This lies to the north of the continent of North America, Europe and Asia. So North America, Europe and Asia. So this ocean lies north of the North America, Europe and Asia. Its location, on account of its closeness to the poles, this blue color part you can see, extreme northern part, this is Arctic Ocean. So it is very close to the North Pole. On account of its closeness to the pole, much of its part remain covered with snow, covered with ice throughout the year. Because of very low temperature, most of the part is covered with ice throughout the year. Apart from these four oceans, there is the Southern Ocean. Okay, these were the four major oceans, main oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Except these four major oceans, we have one more ocean known as Antarctic Ocean, or this is also known as Southern Ocean. Okay, so apart from these four oceans, there is the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, which surrounds the continent of Antarctica. You can see this is continent Antarctica. So this southern ocean, which lies in the southern part, extreme southern part, near the south pole, that is southern ocean, okay, near the Antarctica continent, Antarctica. It is formed by the merging of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. We all know Pacific Ocean from this direction, Atlantic Ocean from this direction, and Indian Ocean from this direction, and Atlantic Ocean from this direction. So all three oceans at Pacific, Indian, Atlantic. So from all these three oceans merges here, which give rise to the fourth ocean known as Southern Ocean, which is near the Antarctica continent, or it is also near the South Pole. Okay. On account of its extremely low temperature, large part of it remain frozen throughout the year. So this extreme near to the South Pole, so because of very low temperature, most of the part of this fifth ocean, Southern Ocean, remain frozen always. Okay. That is why in many books they have not described about the Southern Ocean. Okay. So these are the main four major oceans which you have. Okay. And this is the fifth one, Southern Ocean. I hope you understand about the oceans and all four major oceans, the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. I hope you understand.